Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, I have 5 hidden tricks that you should do with your Galaxy Z Fold 3. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, I got 5 hidden tricks that you should do once you pick up your Z Fold 3. I don't see a lot of people talking about it, so I wanted to let my subscribers know and anybody else that's picking up the phone on how you can do a few of these things. Now this phone does have a lot of cameras. You have the under display camera. You also have a camera on the outer display there, and then you have 3 in the back. 3 in the back are probably the best cameras, so why not take a selfie with the cameras on the back? This trick will help you do that without really, too much trouble, and let me show you what I mean. So if you have your screen open, you hit your camera setting, that looks like the rear camera, nice and beautiful. But here's the thing, if you flip this little button up here, this actually lets your cover screen be your monitor. So what you can do if you want to take a selfie, like, hey cheese, and bam, you just took a selfie with your rear camera. See? Not too bad. I think that's actually pretty cool. So that's one little trick that, not a lot of people talk about. I don't see anybody talking about it. So you can actually use your rear camera for selfies, and it actually comes out really good. The second thing I want to talk about is Instagram on here and other apps too. So if you go to Instagram, you can see where my whole Instagram is filled out. Well, when you get the phone, it's not that way. So if you go into your settings, you go all the way down to advanced features. On the right hand side, right here where it says labs. So right here where it says customize app aspect ratio, if I go down to Instagram, you will actually see it says full screen, but when you get it, they all say 16:9. Now, not every app works this way, but if I go back to Instagram, you can see it doesn't take up the whole screen. That's kind of ugly. So that's a quick way of making Instagram at least look a lot better than what it normally does. So let's move on to the third one. The third one is mapping the Bixby button. So right now, if I hold down the power button, it will bring up the power menu. I can turn the phone off. When you get the phone, if you hold down the power button, it brings up Bixby. The way you change that is back into your settings. You can, it's always in advanced features. Use side key button here, and there you go. You can actually double press to launch the camera, or if you press and hold, you can either power off the menu or get the power off menu or wake Bixby. Or if you want to double press, you can actually hit open app and open any app that you want to if you don't want the camera setting to be there, which is actually pretty cool. So that's the way you can remap Bixby. All right, so the fourth thing I want to talk about, and it's kind of hidden, is the edge light notification. So when I get a notification now, this whole screen lights up, or the front panel does too if I have the phone closed. When you get the phone, that is actually turned off. So if you go to notifications, when you get the phone right now, it says detail. That is how it comes, and there's no notification, there's no edge light and notification to actually turn on. You go to brief pop-up settings, and if you go to edge light and style, you can pick which you want. As you can tell there, if I want blue, if I want a different style, if I want this style here, if I want multicolor. So I usually go there, and then you can actually pick the color too. If you go in here, you go to color, you can pick the color that you want. If you don't like any of these, you can go in here and pick the color. So that's the color I have. So when I get a notification, the whole screen lights up, and that's actually pretty cool. All right, so the fifth and final thing I want to talk about is the power button turn on always. Because right now, if you want to lock your phone, when you get your phone, if you want to unlock it, you actually have to press the power button in and to unlock it. Well, I have it set up where if I just touch the power button like this, it unlocks it. You don't have to worry about pressing it in and then trying to do it, which gets a little bit aggravating. So the way you actually turn that on is if you go into your settings, you go into biometrics and security, under your fingerprints, You can put in your code or whatever else. Right here where it says fingerprint always on, you make sure it's on. When you get the phone, it's off. So if I turn it off, and if I press the power button, so it's locked, right? So if I just put my finger on there, give it a minute to lock. So it's locked right now, so if I put my finger, it doesn't unlock the phone. I have to actually press it and then turn it. So it just saves you a little bit of, pressing the button and unlocking it. Again, it's quite easy to do. Settings, you go into biometrics, you go into fingerprints, you put in your code, and always turn on the fingerprint. It's pretty simple to do. It's actually easy to do, and it works out better. You don't have to worry about pressing the power button in. So that was 5 quick and easy tips and tricks, kind of hidden. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. If you learned something, give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Z Fold 3. Also follow me on Twitter at Fords Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.